I'm Jenny Lesko here with Rental Magazine here at the Rental Show 2016 in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm here in the John Deere booth with Greg Zupanzik, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the new G-Series skid steers and compact track loaders.
Yeah, correct.
Right?
Yes.
How does that fill out your earth moving line?
So the new G-Series is our world premiere here at the show. It's a model, 5 models of skid steer and 1 model of compact track loader, and these are on the smaller end of our lineup. So they're very much purpose-built for the rental customer. Traditionally, we've had machines in the medium and larger size, higher performance machines in our lineup, but these are backfilling on the small end of our lineup to round out our skid steer and compact track loader group.
How are they suited to the rental market?
Yeah, so that's a great question. Many of our machines were developed over the past couple of years, and we partner with rental companies, their owners and their mechanics, and our engineers get together and we design them side by side over a several year period. So they're very much purpose built to meet the rental customer needs in the marketplace today. A lot of those features revolve around making it easy to maintain and easy to access certain components, so they can quickly get them back out onto rent and generate revenue. So one simple example is with the removal of 2 bolts, our operator station can rise up on a gas cylinder, and now you can access any of the major components to do maintenance if you require changing like the hydraulic oil filter, for example. So as you can see, with the cab rolled back, you can access the components of the engine compartment very easily. A wide open access, you're able to put your hands on things like the hydraulic oil filter if needed. Also, another piece of feedback that we got from the rental companies is they wanted the footwell area of the cab to be easily accessible and clean. So what we did is we created great washouts, and all you need to do is bring a garden hose in this area, and underneath this linkage, which you can't see here, are 2 panels on each side, and you loosen the bolts and those panels swing out of the way, and it easily flushes out any debris that would get into the footwell area. And so we have a graphic here to represent what that might look like on the front of the machine. And rental company and customer feedback was such that they wanted one lockable engine compartment to keep all of the fluid fills protected as it's out on the rent. So you lock it up here if you need to, and we open up this engine compartment. You see it's a wide swing out door for easy access. And we color code our engine fluid fills. So here you have your hydraulic fluid fill indicated by an orange color cap. Our oil check point is a yellow color, so you can identify that with engine oil. For example, over here we have our diesel cap that is green to help customers make less mistakes in terms of the fluid fills location. We remote mounted our engine oil filter off the engine so you can easily access it from right behind the fuel door. Also, our primary, this is actually our secondary fuel filter, and we have a primary fuel filter and water separator here that are all easily accessible and easy to get to for maintenance purposes. Our engine air filter is here. You can take this cap off and you can see your primary and secondary engine air filter and access that easy also. We do have, for engine emissions, these are all Tier 4 EPA certified engines. This is our DPF. Our DPF requires maintenance only after 8,000 hours, so you have a tremendous amount of life before you have to maintain this or clean the filter. Generally, it will last the life of the machine, so there is no additional maintenance related to that emission technology. And on the side of the machine, you have easy access to the battery for jumping without having to raise the loader arms out of the way. So under these 6 bolts, you're able to quickly access and put jumper cables on or remove the battery if needed.